WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors are made of a strong and flexible polycarbonate with ultra-thin flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing, make sure the window and window channel are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the provided red installation tool and sweep it through the window channel, cleaning it of dirt and debris. Then, raise your window until there is a 1.5-inch gap at the top. To install your rear side window deflectors, remove the protective film from the adhesive and fit the rear of the deflector into the window channel by orienting it at a slight angle. Then, lower the front end of the deflector and use the hook end of the installation tool to gently pull back the weather stripping, creating an opening for the front flange. Once the deflector is fully behind the weather strip, slowly slide the deflector up to straighten and fully insert it into the window channel. Inspect the deflector to ensure that it is fully inserted into the window channel. Then, raise your window until it's fully closed. Congratulations! Your rear WeatherTech side window deflectors are now installed.